Napakaganda talaga. Um, yung feel ko ngayon, wala akong na-entertain na negative eh. My name is Sherwin Reblagao Bartolapa. I'm from Carmona, Cavite, Barangay Lantic. Because of economic reasons, I need to go to US. Those advancement, professional growth, so-called high-tech, especially in the field, to progress more, to learn more. The main reason is economic purposes. Why I'm going to US. You know, US is the reason why I pursue nursing. Kumbaga, napakaganda ng offer ng company. Yung kapatid ko kasi, nabanggit niya na halos 3 years siya dito, oras lang. Kung talagang papalarin ka, na bigyan ka ng magandang pangangatawan ng Panginoon, makukumply mo, sisipakin ka na mag-overtime hanggang matapos mo. Kaya mo siya niya. Attainable. Tapos, yung nabanggit ni Sir na very specific na para to help lang yung nurse na bago doon sa environment na yon, walang kakilala, kumbaga hindi pagamay ang mga ano doon lahat. Sa discuss ni Sir na very specific. Yun nga nabanggit ko kanina, Sir, you're trying to say that we are in good hands. Yun talagang siningit ko na tinanong ko siya. Kasi, ewan ko nga, pwede ko bang sabihin na it's very too good to be true?